Are you a Blender user looking to take your 3D projects to the next level? If so, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a bunch of free Blender add-ons and generators that will help you create stunning visuals and effects in your projects. The free Cloud Shader for Cycles available on Gumroad is an incredibly useful tool for those working in the 3D modeling world. It provides an easy and efficient way to create realistic-looking 3D clouds and is fully integrated into the Cycles rendering engine. With the Cloud Shader, users can quickly and easily add cloud layers to their models without having to worry about complex settings or technical know-how. Furthermore, the Cloud Shader is completely free, making it an excellent choice for those looking to add a professional touch to their projects without breaking the bank. The Pbr Library Addon is a great resource for anyone looking for Pbr materials that look as realistic as possible. It offers plus 50 textures with plans to grow the library over time. The library is inspired by premium texture websites and the ease of asset collections, which makes it accessible to everyone. With its vast selection of textures, it is the perfect library to help bring your projects to life. Free Non-Destructive Modeling Add-on. Non-Destructive Modeling is a Blender add-on that provides many workflow enhancements, tools, operations, and generators tailored specifically for non-destructive 3D modeling. This approach is useful for many modeling needs, particularly hard surface forms, while adjusting parameters quickly without requiring manual poly modeling. ND modeling makes extensive use of modifiers to enable this flexible workflow. Chalk Style Wireframe Add-on. The Chalk Style Wireframe add-on is a great way to quickly create ambient occlusion, chalk and sketch type renderings in Blender 2.82+. The workflow is simple. Just position the camera, press the Render Chalk Style button, and then composite the 3 black and white rendered images in the chalk_style.blend compositor and save. It is important to note that in order for this to work, you must enable ambient occlusion in the Eevee render settings and have transparent unchecked in the film render settings. This is not necessary in Chalk Style Pro. KitOPS2. KitOPS2 is a free Blender add-on. It uses the systemized application of Blender files called KitOPS inserts to instantly cut and add to existing objects or create standalone objects with the goal of rapidly developing and exploring new designs. When used properly, KitOPS can create objects and scenes with extreme efficiency and speed. Doors and windows can be inserted and cut through walls. Complex industrial designs can be generated in a single sitting. KitOPS uses the power of the Blender modifiers to accomplish all of this. GeoCables. GeoCables is a free Blender add-on that makes it easy to create procedural hanging cables. Using geometry nodes, you can quickly and easily draw cables in the object mode by simply clicking on surfaces or converting objects to cables. The GeoCables add-on takes the power of geometry nodes and makes it more accessible for Blender users. With GeoCables, you can easily and quickly generate realistic-looking cables that can be used in any animation or 3D project. Pixel Art Rendering. Pixel Art Rendering is a free add-on for Blender that allows you to create pixel art-like renders. With it, you can create detailed pixel art scenes with a variety of tools, including color palettes, line widths, and more. It is easy to use and can provide the user with a great way to create pixel art scenes. It is a great free procedural Cloudscape node. Using the procedural Cloudscape generation in Cycles, you can create beautiful and realistic-looking cloudscapes in Blender. This setup is free and easy to use and can be implemented with the procedural Cloudscape node setup in Blender. With this setup, you can create realistic-looking cloudscapes with ease and with great results. All you need is a few minutes of your time and some inspiration to be able to create stunning cloudscapes. Addons is a multi-purpose toolkit designed to help people create artwork utilizing generative techniques within Blender. With version 9, it has become modular and extensible through the use of additional content packs that users can create and share, even commercially. The add-on has evolved over time, initially providing a collection of modifier templates, allowing people to create interesting parametric shapes by modifying values in the modifier stack. Over time, new features were added to let people generate structures using branched and layered generation algorithms, along with a collection of fun, miscellaneous operations to play with. With the new support of geometry nodes, the toolset has expanded to add new types of scattering, displacement, and soon structural generation methods. In time, geometry nodes should replace all of the original modifier styles, but this conversion will take time, and further updates, as the feature set of geometry nodes is expanded in Blender. Nature Clicker is an incredibly useful free Blender add-on that makes it easy to scatter objects across a landscape. With just one click, you can quickly and easily randomize the placement, rotation, scale, tilt, and alignment of the elements in your scene. This simple but powerful tool is perfect for anyone who wants to manually place natural elements, such as trees, rocks, and other objects, into their 3D environment. By using Nature Clicker, you can quickly create a realistic, natural-looking landscape with minimal effort. The add-on is highly compatible with Blender's built-in tools and is incredibly easy to use. Once you've selected the assets you want to place, you can simply click to start the process. Nature Clicker will automatically randomize the placement and rotation according to the settings you've chosen. For example, if you've set the rotation, tilt, and scale to random, the add-on will scatter the elements throughout the landscape in a natural, random manner. You can also choose to align the elements to the surface of the terrain, which is ideal for creating more realistic landscapes. Nature Clicker is a great tool for creating natural-looking landscapes quickly and effortlessly. With its simple one-click placement system, you can quickly and easily randomize the placement, rotation, scale, tilt, and alignment of the elements in your scene. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced Blender user, Nature Clicker is a must-have for anyone looking to create realistic 3D environments. Organizing your Blender sidebar just got easier with simple tabs. This easy-to-use and lightweight add-on allows you to rename and reorder your tabs in the sidebar, as well as consolidate multiple tabs into the end menu. Designed by Chip Walters, Simple Tabs is great for Blender users of all levels. The add-on was recently updated in September 2022 with improved functionality, making it even easier to customize the sidebar. With Simple Tabs, you can easily rename your sidebar tabs, reorder them as you like, and consolidate multiple tabs into the end menu. This makes it easier to find the tools and features you need quickly, without having to scroll through a long list of tabs. Simple Tabs make it easy to organize your Blender sidebar, so you can spend more time creating and less time searching for the tools you need. With this add-on, you can easily rename and reorder tabs, and consolidate multiple tabs into the end menu. Plus, it was recently updated with improved functionality, making it even more user-friendly. So, if you're looking for an easy and lightweight way to organize your Blender sidebar, Simple Tabs is the perfect solution. Rename, reorder, and consolidate tabs in the end menu, and get back to creating with Blender. Random motion can often add a unique and interesting look to any scene. The Wiggle add-on makes it easy to add a bit of life to an otherwise static object. This add-on for Cinema 4D simulates the wiggle feature used in the program. With just a few clicks, you can add randomized motion to your object. The Wiggle add-on allows you to add randomized motion, rotation, and even scaling. It uses geometry nodes to do this, which makes it very intuitive to use. You can also move the object without having to reset the wiggle. The Wiggle add-on is a great way to add some life to your scenes. It's simple to use and can be used to add complex motion in no time. It's also highly customizable, so you can adjust the motion to your needs. Whether you're looking for a subtle way or a full-on pulse, the Wiggle add-on is a great choice. The Wiggle add-on is a great way to add some life to your scenes. Whether you need subtle random motion or an intense pulse, this add-on has everything you need. With its simple interface and geometry nodes, you can quickly and easily add randomized motion to any object. So don't wait any longer, give your scene some life with the Wiggle add-on.